Hi, my name is Andres Moncada, and it is my interview. My name is Andre Felipe Moncada. I am 45 years old. I currently work from home in digital business. I really like sports such as soccer and swimming, and I love learning language. I want to develop my skill and the company, to grow personally and professionally. I know that this company has excellent results this year and would like to help and contribute my knowledge so that I can continue to grow personally, professionally, and economically in order to provide my family with a better lifestyle. My strengths are discipline, respect, teamwork. My weaknesses are it's hard to me to ask to help. It's hard for me saying not. Skills such as teamwork will help will help me to develop the tasks together with my entire work team and to be able to complete them successfully. In addition, I can adapt to any work situation that arises by recognizing my mistakes and success. Thank you, teacher.